Hey everyone, welcome back to Coder Squad. Today, we're going to explore one of the fundamental elements of HTML, the body tag. Stick around because understanding how to use this tag effectively is essential for building engaging web pages. Have you ever wondered where all the content of a web page resides? Well, it's all inside the body tag. This is where the magic happens. Let's start with the basics. The body tag is like the main stage of your web page. It contains all the visible content that users see when they visit your site. Discuss how the body tag serves as a container for various elements like text, images, videos, links, and more. It's where you structure and organize the content of your web page. Dive into adding text content using tags like P4 paragraphs, H1 to H6 for headings, UL and OL for lists, and block quote for quotations. Explore embedding images with the IMG tag and multimedia content like videos and audio files using video and audio tags respectively. These elements enrich the user experience. Show how to create hyperlinks using the A tag, allowing users to navigate between pages or different sections of the same page. Discuss anchor links, a ref equals hashtag section, for smooth scrolling within a page. Briefly touch on incorporating forms using tags like form, input, text area, and button. This allows users to interact with your web page by submitting data. Introduce semantic tags like header, nav, main, section, article, and footer. These tags add meaning to your content, improving accessibility and search engine optimization, SEO. Mention that while the body tag doesn't directly handle styling, it provides the canvas on which you apply CSS styles to create visually appealing layouts. Emphasize that the body tag is where you bring your web page to life. It's where you showcase your content, engage your audience, and create memorable experiences. There you have it, a comprehensive overview of the body tag in HTML. Mastering how to use this tag effectively is crucial for creating dynamic and interactive web pages. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell icon, comment, and share. Happy web development!